sweet, mild chili crisp, a chili oil that you might find yourself using on everything. Peel and cut shallots. Heat up vegetable oil and fry shallots until light golden on low heat. This takes somewhere about 10 minutes. Now take it out and leave it aside to crisp up. Heat the remaining oil up to about 140 Celsius, then turn it off to avoid overheating and burning the chili flakes. Add the chili flakes and give it a quick stir about 10 seconds. Then pour into a large bowl. Just be very careful of the hot oil. Now let's have a look at the shallots. The color has darkened a little and it's very crispy by now. When the chili oil has cooked down to room temperature, add regular soy sauce, sugar and salt. Add the shallots and some toasted sesame seeds. This chili oil smells really nice. Seasoned with simple seasonings, it will not take over the main flavor of the dish. Alternatively, we could also do it with the pre-cooked shallots. Heat up oil to 100 Celsius and turn it off. Fry the shallots for about 10 seconds. Take it out when it's light golden for further crisp. Here is what the shallots looks like. It's very crispy. Both versions are incredibly delicious. Fresh shallot is sweet and crispy. The pre-cooked shallot is quick to make and remain crispy for a longer time.